Hi everybody, welcome back to Webnus chat. In this video today we're going to go over a few advanced options that we have implemented in MEC's ticketing enabled models and how to utilize them on your WordPress. So stay with us to learn more about family tickets, global tickets, partial payments, availability dates, and MEC Cart. Let's get started. For starters, let's see how the family tickets feature works. Navigate to the MEC settings, then the booking section. Click on the Advanced tab and enable Family Tickets under the Ticket Options heading. Family ticket is a ticket type used when you want to sell more than one ticket, for example in table or booth reservations. So if a restaurant has tables that seat 5 people, then you can set all 5 people as a table. Don't forget to click on Save Changes, and let's head to our sample event to add a family ticket for our demonstration. Head to the Tickets tab, and here in the newly added section you can set the number of seats for a family ticket. Going back to our example, our tables have 5 seats, so let's enter 5 here. And set 100 for available tickets. In this scenario, we'll have 20 tickets for 5 people each. Hit Update, and let's head to the live event view. Click on Register. It shows our available tickets as 20. Let's purchase one ticket, which in actuality is a table that sits 5 people. Click on Submit, and our booking is complete. Let's refresh the page to see if the right number of tickets has been reduced. As you can see, we're now down to 19 tickets in total. So 19 tickets for 5-person tables are left and 1 has been booked. You can easily use this feature to add a family or group ticket option for your events in addition to all normal tickets. Now, let's see how global tickets works. Navigate to MEC Settings, then the Booking section. Click on the Global Tickets submenu and enable it. The Global Tickets feature allows you to assign a ticket for all the events existing on your site. If you're offering VIP parking for your event, it might be a bit of a hassle to add it individually to all events. Simply define a global ticket for it from here and it'll show up on all your events. Click on Add Ticket to create this ticket that will be applied to your whole site. Set the price to, for example, $5. You also have access to other ticket options from the Advanced tab, but for this video, let's keep things simple. Hit Save Changes, and let's see how our event environment has changed. Head to the Tickets tab in your event, and as you can see, a global ticket has been automatically added to your event, and our previous ticket is also here. Let's check out the event on live view to see how it functions in action. Here's our global ticket. A would-be user can now purchase book parking privileges and access to the event via the VIP ticket. Another successful booking, right? The next option is availability date that allows you to define a specific time period for each ticket to appear on the booking form. The example I'm going to showcase is if we have an event that repeats 10 times, but we want to sell tickets for only 3 of the repeat instances. So, navigate to the MEC Settings, then the Booking section, click on the Advanced tab, and enable Availability Date under the Ticket Options heading. Now, let's head back to our event and scroll to the Tickets tab. Go to the Advanced tab and scroll down to the Availability Date section. Here you can set when the tickets for this event will be available for booking. Let me enable repeating instances for this event to give a better view of the feature. Daily on a 2-day interval. Going back to the Availability Date section, let's define when our tickets will be available. So, our tickets will be available only from the 9th to the 12th of May. Hit Update and let's head to the live event view. Since this event is for the 8th, the booking form and its tickets are not available for us. Let's head to the calendar page and select a date within the time period we defined earlier. Let's see how this event set for May 10th looks and compare it with the one from the 8th. As expected, there aren't any tickets available for purchase here, but the May 10th ticket has a functioning booking model ready for would-be ticket purchases. Now, let's get to partial payment. Partial payment allows users to pay only a fraction of an event's total cost. So they'll put down a deposit for the event and will pay the rest via whatever payment structure the organizer provides them, either in person or online. Navigate to the MEC settings, then the booking section, click on the Advanced tab, and scroll down to enable partial payment. Here, you can set what percentage of the booking cost can be accepted as a deposit and the rest to be paid later. For this video, I'll set it to 20%. You can also set a minimum amount for it rather than a percentage. If you enable the option below, you can also make these adjustments based on each event. Let's head to our events and find partial payment under the Advanced tab of the booking section. It's set on the global settings we defined earlier by default, but you can also customize it by removing the check mark for it. Hit update and let's head to the live event view. We've got one VIP valued at $20. Up top, you can see that the total price is $20 USD. We've got one VIP ticket, well, the payable fee is $4 USD because we had set the partial payment amount to 20% of the total. The rest can be paid at a later date, either in person or through any online gateway. The last feature I will showcase is MEC Cart. It allows you to add tickets to a cart and check out in one go without needing WooCommerce. Navigate to the MEC settings, then the booking section, click on the MEC Cart submenu, and enable it. Enabling it will display many options with an important message. It states that if you enable MEC Cart, then WooCommerce's payment gateway, currency per event, disable gateways per event, thank you page per event, Stripe Connect, Pay by WooCommerce, and Organizer payment will all be disabled. To start, copy the cart page shortcode and paste it on a new page. Then you'll head back here and select that page, which I have previously done it. Same thing goes for the checkout page. Create a new page and copy the checkout shortcode there. The next option allows us to dictate what happens when a user adds a ticket to their MEC cart. Whether they're redirected to cart, checkout, or given the option to choose. Don't forget to hit Save Changes. Back in our event page, scroll to the Tickets tab to make sure we have tickets available and head to the Event Live view. Register a ticket, and you can see the Add to Cart button. When we click on it, that button, it redirects us to the cart page without needing WooCommerce. Proceed to checkout, and here you can complete the process or head back to the cart. There you have it. Our event has been successfully booked.
Thank you very much for staying with me. In this video today, we tried to show you some of the lesser known features of Webnus Calendar in its ticketing and payment modules, and how they can give you greater flexibility in order to manage your events and your event business. So if there are any other options or features that you're trying to learn about, please write them down in the comment section, and we'll be glad to create videos about them in the future as well. See you in the next video.